Assalamu alaikum. I am proud and humbled to deliver this speech as the regional chair of Global Water Partnership South Asia on this great event organized by our colleagues of Global Water Partnership Pakistan and Network Partner in Pakistan. World Water Day celebrates water and raises awareness of the 2.2 billion people living without access to safe water. Theme for World Water Day 2021 is Valuing Water with the focus of supporting the achievement of Sustainable Development Goal 6, Water and Sanitation for All by 2030. Water means different things to different people. This year's conversation is about what water means to you. How is water important to your home and family life, your livelihood, your cultural practices, your well-being, your local environment? Today, water is under extreme threat and in high demand due to growing population, increasing demands of agriculture and industry, and the worsening impacts of climate change. It is expected that observance of the day will inspire people around the world to learn more about water-related issues and to take action to make a difference. As Global Water Partnership South Asia, we can proudly say that since its establishment in 2002 in Pakistan, we nurtured the implementation of integrated water resources management in 6 countries in South Asia: Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Nepal, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. The Global Water Partnership South Asia is connected through a network of 400 partners of the region and more than 3,000 globally, including the rest of the 12 regional water partnerships of Global Water Partnership. In line with the GWP Strategy 2020-2025, Mobilizing for a Water Secure World, GWP South Asia developed its 2021 work plan by incorporating the activities suggested by the 6 country water partnerships. The thematic area focused on the work plan includes IWRM interventions, mobilizing multi-stakeholder platform for IWRM, SDG support program, youth and gender empowerment, mobilizing private sector, capacity enhancement and learning, regional dialogue leading to the transboundary cooperation in South Asia, as well as in pan-Asia level, and readiness for climate change. Our country water partnerships are collaborating with the government departments, private sector, financial institutions, educational institutes, and international organizations to develop a network, promote multi-sectoral approaches, and fill out the resource gaps in order to reach out to the target population. I would say this day is dedicated to all of us, whether we work for an organization with the mandate of protecting water resources, managing the sustainability of water, conducting research on water, working for an institute for agriculture, or you work for a finance institute, private company that produce soft drinks, clothing factory, or even if you are a student or housewife. We all consume water in our daily life, and there will not be any life without water. Therefore, I will take this an opportunity to invite you all to look out our Global Water Partnership South Asia website and follow us on social media, engage in activities carried out at the country level, which always has a potential to expand globally and to experience the work that has been carried out by Global Water Partnership South Asia. You may also register with Global Water Partnership as a partner and become a part of a global and local level multi-stakeholder platform with a voice to influence at national and international level policy discussions. I take this opportunity to inform you that the GWP South Asia Secretariat has organized a regional webinar on 22nd March 2021 to celebrate the World Water Day 2021. An eminent water professional from 6 South Asian countries will share the country experiences on 5 principles of valuing water. This webinar is collaboratively organized by GWP South Asia, Global Water Partnership Secretariat, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of the Government of Netherlands, and UN Water. It will be live telecast via Global Water Partnership Facebook, and I invite you all to participate. I congratulate and thank our Pakistan Water Partnership colleagues, a great catalyst for Water Secure Pakistan, for organizing this important event to celebrate the World Water Day 2021. The GWP Pakistan is working in the water sector for last 2 decades, and large number of initiatives undertaken with GWP core funds and underwater and climate resilience project. Finally, I wish this event will be a great success and support your dream of Water Secure Pakistan. Thank you all.